Well, it's January. The snow's coming down. I guess, what time is it? It's almost 5 o'clock. About 10 minutes to 5. I think it's January 9th. And we're starting to get some snow cover on the ground. Actually, it's the 10th. It almost looks like winter's here right now. Table's covered. The dock is covered. You can barely see the lights out on the parkway right now. Really sort of getting kind of wintry out tonight. And that's it. And my feet are gonna go point to the house and go that direction. Go up the steps and go into the house and say hello to Mona. Hello, Mona. Wave. Oh, she don't see me. Okay, time to get the camera out of the weather.